So I have a week up until my birthday, so I'm gonna start this series of doing a makeup each day that I want to use for my birthday makeup look, and obviously I'll let you guys vote on which one I should do. So today we're going to be doing soft glam, and I don't think I've ever done a soft glam makeup look, so we're just gonna hop right into it. I've already kind of started my brows. I use the Benefit My Brow wax in the shade 4, and we are going to go into primer from Smashbox. We are trying to be real matte, okay? Because we want this makeup look to last us all day long, because I'm going to be wearing this makeup all day. Okay, face is primed. I don't know if I want to underpaint or not, but I think I'm going to skip underpainting today. Actually, I think we're going to underpaint. So we're going to start off with obviously the OG Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I use the shade Toffee. I absolutely love this Too Faced concealer because it is so full coverage, and what is a birthday makeup look without full coverage? Y'all let me know. And to get this face super snatched, I'm using the Say Beauty I'm using the Say Beauty Sun Melt in the shade Dark Brawn. I'm using my Real Technique 205 square foundation brush to kind of map out where I want everything to go. Now, I absolutely love underpainting because you just have a lot more control over everything. You have a lot more control like over placement, coverage, all of that. Personally, I think you don't waste that much product. I start off obviously with concealer to blend that out. You want to feather it out because if you swipe it, you're just going to swipe away the product. Now let me know down in the comments if you are a brush or a sponge girl, because I am a brush girl all the way. Okay, and now that I look kind of scary, let's get all of this together. I'm just blending out the bronzer. Look how beautifully that blends. I love Say Beauty. Their bronzers are so good. My face is so snatched. It's not even funny. I absolutely love it. So we're going for the soft matte theme. I had to pull out the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Deep 3 Iguazu. This is like one of my favorite foundations because it just blends so beautifully with literally everything. I'm just gonna put it on a brush because normally I would put it on my face, but I'm gonna put it on a brush and just blend everything out. Literally everything. Just put it everywhere, because you're going to put powder on top of your face. So it's okay if some things just go a little haywire. That's where powder comes in to get everything back together again. Okay, let's get these brows together because I'm looking a little scared. Using the Eye Sculpt Eye Shade from Juvia's Place. It's a powder brow foundation. It's like a powder brow thing. I'm going to be using their second darkest shade for my brows. Oh yeah, so base is done. I'm just going to tell you guys what I used. Okay, so I brightened with the Win Beauty by Serena Williams in the shade Realize underneath my eyes. I used a Danessa Myricks Dancing Queen blush, and I topped that off with Juvia's Place Volume 3. I topped off my bronzer, the Say Beauty with Juvia's Place bronzer palette in Deep Dark. Set everything. I set my under eye with the Hourglass, their Vanished Airbrushed Pressed Powder in Translucent Deep. We're gonna get into the eyes. It's not a soft glam look if you don't use the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're just gonna get right into it. So for the crease, we're just going to mix Cypress, Umber, and Noir together to kind of create just like this really nice but not too dark outer corner, I should say. Not the crease, the outer corner. Okay, and then for the lid, we're gonna use a Dusty Rose. I absolutely love how this is looking. And to kind of darken the outer corner, we're going to use Noir and mixing it with Mulberry together, kind of like a burgundy color together. And then we're going to use NYX Epic Wear in the color black. Smashbox Always Sharp waterproof liner for my bottom, for my waterline. Of course, I would wear lashes, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do mascara, which is the Smashbox Superfan. Gotta get the bottom lashes too, okay? Make them eyes pop, honey. And then for my favorite part, which is the lip combo, we're gonna do Huda Beauty in Rich Brown. This is their Lip Contour 2.0. Huda Beauty Rendezvous. And we are topping it off with Giorgio Armani's 02 and their Prisma Glass glosses. And this is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? Soft glam. Let me know down in the comments what other makeup trend I should try out next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.